Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of random number generator action automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. Click Install and allow an install. From here, refresh your page. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorials tab, which contains resources like smart cues and videos that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. To do so, start by clicking on Start Setup, and you fill in a professional email address and you click Complete Setup. Up next is the Support tab, and here you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated with any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.